When has love you all the time? One life, one life, what it is for time.
All right, put a 1 in the chat. Let me know that you're in here. Put a 1 in the chat.
3 weeks.
Put a 1 in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. It is raining out here, and I had to be on my grizzly grind early. It is raining, flooding, but I had to be out. I had to be in the mix. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday, the weekend was incredible. It was incredible. Had a great interview. Shout out to V's. You did a great job. I'm also working on. I had to answer some questions because I'm getting featured in another publication. They told me at the last minute, so now I gotta answer these questions and I gotta pull 5 photos. I'm like, oh man, do I even have 5 photos that I wanted to be published? Do I have 5 photos of myself that I want to be published? I don't know. I did a photo. I did 2 photo shoots this past summer, so I probably will grab something from that shoot. But it's it's kind of weird. I don't really like to be in the forefront, but I have to be. I guess it's time to get those flowers. Time to get those flowers, but they had to put the flowers on me, right? Time to get those flowers before they had to put the flowers on me. So yeah, I'm going to participate. I'm going to sit down in the diner, and yeah, I'm in the diner. People say, Dennis, you everything you get on live, you're eating. No, I'm not eating now. I'm about to eat in a minute. But yes, I'm going to be working on those questions that they sent over to me. Not going to be hard. I just want to make sure it's significant and it's something that can be memorialized and something that not only my family can enjoy, but the people that don't really truly know about me or my life and what makes me tick. Those who have grown up with me, those who have known me from back when I grew up in the PJs, they would probably have a different opinion, more real, more organic opinion of who I am. A lot of you are new to me, or I'm new to you, and hopefully this journey that we are going to be going on this particular channel, it will be something that you guys can hopefully build, learn from. We can share stories, fun times. Shout out to Galatian. I do see you. I see you, Emily. I see a few of you in here. This is cool. People are up here this morning. You guys can ask me any questions this morning while I'm preparing to get ready for my morning feast. Shoot the questions. If I think it's being disrespectful, I'm just not going to answer. Or I'm going to answer. You might not like the way I answer. So please feel free to ask the question. Okay. Let's see here. Who else is out here? I think I know what you want me to talk about, but I ain't really going to talk about that too much. I ain't really going to talk about that too much. I know what you want me to talk about, but I'm not going to talk about that too much. Any updates on Tasha K's bankruptcy and lying? Um, I think I answered that question. Someone asked me that question yesterday. If you watched it live, I said I can't speak on it right now. No news is good news, I guess, for certain people. So, as far as her bankruptcy, um, it's doing what it's doing. You know, Cardi's in the studio. I can tell you guys that much. You haven't seen Cardi be online. You haven't seen her online in almost a month because she's in the studio working. And I think a lot of people who follow Cardi and are supporters of her music just want to see her come out with another album. Another album. Right now, she's falling back, letting Megan Thee Stallion shine while she's working on her project. She's not trying to overshadow anyone that she rocks with. But what about those Kansas City Chiefs? And what about Taylor Swift and Kels, her boyfriend? What about that? What about that game? That's two. You think they can pull another one off? That's two. The Chiefs won 2 games. Oh, I'm keeping my head up now. Pause. I ain't putting the head down. Keep the head up. What about the game last night? I caught some parts of it. I like the half. What do you think about the halftime performance with Usher and the tribute to Frank Sinatra? What do you think about that? You think Usher did his thing? I mean, if I ask my daughter, she said, "Heck yeah, Dad." My daughter doesn't even watch football. Listen, you got 48 people in here, and 11. No. I'm about to end this live. If you I need to see you guys hitting the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Just don't come here and just to get the energy. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. If you're watching this live right now, make sure you smashing that thumbs up. Smash the thumbs up because if the thumbs up are not upping, I'm getting out of here. I know I can't make everyone pay for the people who are not doing it, but I need supporters in here. I don't need people in the bushes. I need supporters in here. You bet on 49ers. Oh man, you messed up. We bet on the 49ers. Come on now. I mean, you got all the energy behind this game. You got Taylor Swift cheering on her man. You have Beyonce and Jay-Z in the building. It was just a lot of energy in the building. I wonder who Jay. Did anyone know what Jay-Z was going for? And Beyonce. Listen, that's a hard team. That's a hard team. It was close. I thought it was going to go into overtime. It was close. I mean, it was a good game. There's no court today in YSL. There's no court today in YSL. That's the update. There's no court today in YSL. There will be a hearing to see whether or not District Attorney Fani Willis can get the subpoena quashed so she won't have to appear on Thursday. So Judge McAfee has to make a determination whether or not Fani Willis as well as Nathan Wade will have to come in and testify at this hearing. This is my opinion. I think the stakes are too high for the judge to not require her to come in. I think the stakes are too high. If he does it, it would surprise me. But I think that the judge is going to rule that she and Wade will have to come in. It's going to be a circus. It's going to be a circus. And I say circus because it's going to be a media circus because everyone's going to be trying to vie for a seat in the courtroom. Fortunately, I'm on the part of the pool, but I know this is going to be highly watched. It's going to be highly watched. So I'm going in. I'm going to just take copious notes, and actually, I'm going to be live tweeting. I'll live tweet from the courtroom. They always call me when they see me on live. Hold on. This thing got that ring. Let's see here. I get some lotion, man. I get a shower. Oh my goodness. Hold on a second. Hip hop inquiry. Hello. Yeah. I gave at the office. Bye. And how do they get these numbers? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know you do. Kimberly McQueen, that's what's up. All right, listen. You got 67 people here. I'm going to wait a few minutes. If you're watching, you hit the like button. Hit the like, smash the like, or I'm not even going to continue this. We ain't playing games today, ladies and gentlemen. You're in here, hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't see my Cash App across the screen. You don't see none of that. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Let's see here. We got 28, 25, and 69. No. That's a big variance there. We gotta level this thing out. I mean, even the haters need to hit the like button. Come on. Hit the like button if you're in here. You could be doing something else, but you're here. Okay, so we have 65 and 20. No. We need to listen. We're not playing with you today. Come on, smash the like button. Smash the like button. We about to get in some things. Smash the like button. Come on, smash the like button. Smash the like button. I did put in a let's see here. Now I tell you what I need. I'm gonna need another 10 likes. 10 likes. I need 10 more likes over here so I can tell you what the plan is for today. Come on. You're watching. Go ahead, roll your mouse over there or hit that. Yeah, come on. Let's see here. Come on, you can do that. You can do better than that now. Come on, come on. Give me another like, give me another like, one more like, give me two more likes, 3, 4, 5. Come on. You got 31. Can I get 35? Can I get 35 likes? Can I get 35? Can I get 35 once? Can I get 35 twice? Can I get 35 likes? I need 35 likes, 35 likes. Let's go, 35 likes. Come on, bring it in here. Doesn't cost nothing. We got 33. Can I get 34? 34. Do I get 34 over here? 34. Can I get 34 once? 34 twice? 34. Can I get 34? Can I get 34? I can't get a 34. I'm not good enough for a 34. Come on, can I get 34? Come on, smash the likes. Come on, smash the likes. Don't just sit there watching. Don't be a hater. Come and hit the smash the like. Yeah, I got 34. I need 35. 35 once. Come on. 35 once. Come on, can I get 35? Come on, 35. That's it. I need one more. Smash it one more time. Smash the like one more time. I know the ones who have to smash it. Okay. We did. 36. Okay, did that hurt? Did that really hurt? Okay, so I filed two Rule 22 for two different cases. I'm not going to tell you guys the cases, but they're high profile cases. I don't want to do that, and I'm going to tell you why. And people say, why you don't tell the case? Because there's certain individuals that will just pop up in the courtroom and know nothing about the case. They don't do any of the research on the case, and they just become a distraction. But I did file two Rule 22 on two different cases because I got the inside. And I'll be in the courtroom. And I would be going live once I'm in the courtroom. And I'm just not giving anyone an opportunity to trail my reporting. So when you see me go live, it's going to be the day of. It's one today, and there's one this week. But it's not like someone else is going to be. I guess I won't say stalking me, but I don't think they might have an opportunity to do that for a minute. Maybe, I don't know. They may not have an opportunity for a minute to do that. So the plan is today we're doing Fani Willis, the hearing. We're doing some research on another story. We're doing a follow-up on the Christian Key story. We're doing a follow-up on Christian Key story. So that's another story that we've been working on with that will be talked about on Hip Hop Inquirer, and I will have my guest attorneys to do an update. But yes, it's going down. We're going to have some good content. I'm just basically trying to get this particular platform to at least about 5K. So we're going to drop some content on this platform today as well. And just make sure you have your notifications on. Even those, all those are here that have not hit the like button, you're either here for just to be Snoopy, but I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I'll channel by Angie. Angie, tell me what you do. Angie, tell me what you do. I'll channel by Angie. What's your platform about Angie? I'll channel by Angie. What is Angie talking about? Never mind me, Angie. What are you here for? Okay, guys. So before I go into this restaurant, what questions do you guys have for me? Come on, give me some questions. Let's go. Give me some questions. You got the opportunity to give me some questions. Let's talk about anything. Let's talk about anything. Let's talk about anything. Let's talk about anything. Give me some questions, ladies and gentlemen. Give me some questions. Give me some questions. Come on now. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, ask questions. Ask your questions. Ooh. People say, I don't like black women. Wait a minute. You sound like black woman? Oh, no. I hope you guys can see this. They say I don't like black women. Ooh-wee. I love black women. I love black women. I love black women. People say, you don't like black women. Oh, no, that's a lie. That's a lie. Hold on. Let me show you some more black women. Hold on. I'm going to see some black women. Woohoo. Woohoo. I love black women. Hold on. I love black women. You see who that is? I love black women. You know that face? You know who that is? I love black women. As a bushwatcher, you could be a little bit more softer. Okay, I could be a little more softer. You haven't felt my skin. I am soft. As a bushwatcher, that I like that term. What's your wedding date? Wow, November. My wedding date is November. My wedding date is November. Taz, what's up, Taz? That live stream you started yesterday and ended was corny. Yo, Taz, Playboy. We had technical difficulties. Taz, I'm like, Taz, I know, Taz. Aren't you married to the Grown Woman Vibes? Taz, aren't you married to Grown Woman Vibes? I don't know. I heard someone say that. But Taz, it happens. It was technical, Taz. Don't listen. Don't do that, Taz. Keep it positive, Taz. Social. Listen, we supposed to be doing. I think we supposed to be doing a live together at some point. We talked about this. That's me, Taz. Okay, Taz, you are funny. We told him. You told me what you told me, Taz. What you told me, man? What you told me? I'm gonna tell you, I had a technical difficulty. Come on, Taz, don't do me that way. Poop. Okay. No. It was. Trust me. I'm gonna tell you. I want to tell you something. I took one of my main big computers and transferred it to a different room, and I thought I can connect the same uh, devices to that computer. I couldn't do it. So those who know about the Macs, I have a big Mac 27. I think 20 or bigger than that, and it has USBs. So my other devices I wanted to connect were C-type. So it was just technical, and I'm like, oh my goodness, let me set this stuff up differently. Let's see here. What's going on? Yo, Taz, do me a favor, Taz. I know you're in here, but Taz, I don't think you hit the like button, Taz. My sources are telling me Taz didn't hit the like button. Taz, hit the like button, Taz. You in here? Come on, Taz. You got that bass. Hit that like button. What time court starts? Court started already, but the case I'm covering is not starting until 1 o'clock. Should be at 1 o'clock. Wait for Judge McAfee. Yeah, it's still 1 o'clock. So just watch the news cycle. We're gonna go live. Taz, you did it, Taz. Taz, when YouTube allows us to start looking and see who really likes your stuff, can I actually see who likes my stuff? Hit that thumbs up. I think that'll be a request I'm gonna make with the YouTube team to let me verify who actually liked my stuff. Taz, I'm gonna take you for your word, my man. I'm gonna take you for your word. Hold on a second. Here. Someone sent me a message. I saw the message come through, and we're gonna look into that. Wait, hold on, player. Oh, Loretta said, well, hold on, Loretta. Loretta, were you on Hip Hop Inquirer? Are you following Hip Hop Inquirer? And I appreciate Growing Women Vibes because I like what they do. I support the platform, and I'll continue to support the platform. So you guys keep coming over here. This is a new channel. I have another channel that obviously has a lot more followers and subscribers, and this one here is just a new one that I just started up because I want to add different content. I haven't opened my membership section. I'm trying to keep certain things I want to talk about for my members, and it's just I don't I just want to see how many people will actually support the content. So I want to keep some things over there for the membership. I'm going to obviously have guests on, exclusive interviews. But right now I actually had this channel a while, but I never really did anything with the channel. I just put kind of personal stuff on it. And I also got to go back onto my other channel and add thumbnails because I don't know how long you guys have been on YouTube, but it was a time where thumbnails wasn't emphasized. Now they emphasize. I got videos of almost close to 1 million views, but I didn't have thumbnails on it. I have footage that you guys have never seen, exclusive. No one has that. I own my content. This is not like, let me shoot over someone's. I own the content, but I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to share with you guys. I promise you, I will share with you. Loretta King, you made your point. You made your point, Loretta. Hopefully one day, Loretta, you'll come on and be a part of the conversation, the discussion. You maybe have to come on camera because at some point I want to get to know all you that follow me. At some point, I want to get to know all you that follow me. You know what's interesting? When people come in the lives, they ask the question, so what's going on here? Well, you got to turn your notifications on so you can not come in the middle or towards the end. This is kind of towards the end because I had to go in there and I had to do some things. But I do appreciate you guys at least following the page. Taz, someone sent me a link that a video that you were doing. I'm going to watch that. There may be some jewels in there, but I learned of your channel based on someone saying, hey, go make sure you follow this platform. You were going in. I saw you going in on. We ain't gonna say that person's name, but I saw what you did. I'm not being. Listen. Oh, we're not being hard. I'm from New York. I'm not being hard. New York is pretty aggressive, but I'm trying to simmer down. But I'm from New York. Come on. Iran. Hey, do you know anything about Iran? Well, you're talking about what actually occurred last week or 2 weeks ago in Jordan. I know that there's some serious tension because of what happened in Gaza, and I know Iran is the ally of the Palestinian people. But as far as the conflict in great detail, I watch it as it unfolds like many others. I have a daughter that's in the military, so okay, hold on. I got the incredible Akeisha L. Shabazz, attorney.
What's going on, Dennis?
We both in cars. What's up?
How you in the car too?
what do you do? You head into class?
I'm going to school. Yeah, I'm on my way to school.
Okay. No, this is the first time I use this channel because you know we always on Hip Hop Inquirer, so I wanted to make it
Right.
do what it do. So today, listen.
So,
Go. I'm sorry. You first, ladies first. Ike, I think that's what they're doing, Ike. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think that
it took them long enough to figure that shit out.
they're gonna
Welcome to
they're
live.
gonna probably we're gonna see a lot more. I still, you know, I was trying to use this other platform. I'll share with you. The only problem with
Mm-hmm.
that platform is you cannot uh, snipe people. If you want to snipe someone out, get out of here. Can't do that over there.
Oh,
So, so
oh, it's a welcoming, all-inclusive community.
right. That you know that's the First Amendment. Everyone can speak and say anything the hell they want.
Right.
No, 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 no. What do you think about this? What's going to happen today as far as the Judge McAfee quashing the subpoena? Do you think that will happen?
It's
Well,
today? I thought it was the 15th.
well, then he's going to rule on the subpoena request because you know that was filed late on by Roman and others.
Right.
Not no by
Right.
Fani, but then he's going to have to rule whether or not she has to come and testify to the hearing on the 15th.
Okay. Okay.
I don't think the judge is
So
going
that's
to.
what's
I
happening
don't think the
today.
judge. I think the judge is going to require her to show up.
Yeah, why wouldn't he? She seems to be an integral part of this whole Fani fiasco.
I got.
Yeah, I don't see why he wouldn't. She issued subpoenas too. So didn't she?
Well, you know, we didn't talk about the developments, but apparently, Ashley Merchant has witnesses that will testify that her relationship started before and
For
not
that,
after.
yes. Right. Yeah.
How problematic is
That
that?
part. That's usually first you lied. If that can be
Oh,
confirmed, then you have lied in official proceedings. When we submit documents to court, just so for the audience's edification, when we submit documents to court, we have to certify, right? We have to sign. We have to sign our names, which is why paralegals, and I went over this last week with my paralegal class. There are certain pleadings you can't sign for your attorney. We have to sign those documents certifying that they're not frivolous and that they're true. Most of the documents you sign, when you swear them out, you either attach some form of affidavit or affirmation. Attorneys do affirmations, attesting that what you're saying is true under the penalty of perjury,
mm,
right? So,
mm.
so I'm really really pressed how you get around that if it comes out later that what you said was untrue.
You know, do you think one of the witnesses is the alleged boyfriend of the ex-wife? Because the way Fonnie told the story that she came hard and loud. She said, "Nah, she was cheating on Wade with his best friend, and the person testifying was a former friend of his."
The problem is the deflection doesn't absolve.
Right.
The deflection doesn't absolve. When you kill someone, you can't point at someone else and say, well, he killed somebody.
Right.
You deflecting to someone else does not absolve you of your fucking shit. You know what I mean? So you can put the attention on someone else, and that's what happens when you involve yourself in a love triangle, right? That's what happens. And so now you got this, you got all manner of people coming out of the woodworks who have information that is damning against you, damning. Because I don't know if you saw like some of the comments from our last live. People were like, it was a well kept secret in Atlanta.
Wow.
Like this was well known. Like everybody knew except, I guess, the media. And so it shouldn't be hard to find people who can attest to this shit.
Let me ask you a question. Would this be a fix if Fonnie says, "Listen, wait, we can still keep our thing going on, but I gotta let you go." Would that?
Wait,
if
What you mean?
Fani,
If she broke up with Wade now?
no. If she fired, not yeah, fired, just fired him. Say, listen, we can't work together. Would that fix it?
Oh, if she fired him but kept him as a boyfriend,
Right.
would that fix it? Is your question?
Would that calm the the natives?
It might just make it worse. You know what I mean? Because then, so now you're acquiescing. So you agree with us that what you did was improper. So
Oh my God.
your remedial measure, by trying to replace him and put somebody else there, only bolsters the naysayers that he should have never been there in the first.
So you think the case is wow? Well, what I'm so wait, hold on. So Roland Martin said he thinks that Wade should be replaced. Uh, I and you say that that may create a bigger problem. I
It
say
might.
that
It depends on how it's done. If Nathan Wade resigns, that's one thing, as opposed to her firing him. If he
okay,
resigns, I think maybe that looks better because he's taking himself out of the equation and it's not her decision. You know what I'm saying? It's not her responding to the critics and in employing a remedial measure to fix what's fucked up. You know what I mean?
mhm,
It has a different appearance, and all of this is about appearance, right? When
right.
we talking about this, all this is about the appearance of impropriety,
Hmm.
right? And so it looks better. It looks better if he were to resign on his own. Let's say he had
Okay,
some family or health issue. You know what I
okay,
mean?
but
Something
what about
unrelated to this.
what
Yeah.
about what about what he was paid? Do you think that that's going to be a secondary issue, or that's not going to be
Well,
something
you
that
already know Marjorie Taylor Greene already filed her second ethics complaint against Fani Willis. This one actually might get some traction, right? Because I believe her complaint is about. I think initially it was which is why he wasn't interested in the position, right? It was like $250 an hour, and I can tell you as an attorney that ain't nothing. That's what you get starting out as an attorney with no experience. You know what I mean? Once you've established yourself and you've gotten some experience, then you can start to raise your prices accordingly. I've been in the game 20 years, so my hourly is $500 an hour, but that's justified because I have the training and experience and all of that to back that up. Now he said his hourly was 550. 550. So you took a $300 an hour pay cut
why?
to take this job.
And
Right, but that's not what his invoices are reflecting.
right.
So it seems like maybe they renegotiated the money after he took the position, and the 250 was not the case anymore. I don't know, but I'm looking at that billing. You got to how many thousands of dollars? Almost $1 million on 250 an hour. I doubt that. I doubt that. I doubt that. His hourly has to be more than that,
And I think the other
right? So
the,
I'd
the,
like. I got questions. I want to see somebody answer these shits too. That's
and,
taxpayer money.
and I think the other two pressing things is Trump's attorneys really honing in on Fani's appearance at the church and what she said and how that could have tainted the jury pool.
Yeah, yeah. Especially when you were lying. That's again, like you should just shut up. If you weren't going to make a formal official statement, then you shouldn't make an informal statement, playing on people's emotions and misleading the public.
Can you
Not
explain to
acceptable.
the people the significance of an attorney in her capacity making such overtures at a church, and why you feel it was inappropriate?
Well, as attorneys, we have a code of conduct, a code of ethics that governs our behavior. We are not supposed to do anything that would cast a negative light on the institution, right? On the law, on the practice of the law. And so we're held to a higher standard, a higher regard, right, than your average person, because people come to us, we're in positions of trust, right? And so we're not supposed to oh shit, cops.
Well, hold on.
We're not supposed to use our positions, right, to oh God, well, these people just flying, and you ain't see them cops. I swear they be letting these motherfuckers go that got the right complexion for the protection. Yeah, I swear. Sorry. It's New
That's
York
driving
driving,
in New
baby.
York, ladies and gentlemen. That's
Come with a little bit of road rage. You gotta have a little road rage in New York to drive this. Listen, okay. All right. Well, what else was I saying? Right. So as a DA, as the DA of the Fulton County DA, your words have great impact, carry great weight, and you got to know that. You have to understand that, right? And so you should never use your position for personal gain. And that's what she did when she went in that church. She didn't go in as Fani, the Fulton County DA. She went in as Fani, a chick who was fucking somebody that people was talking about. That's what she went in as. She didn't go in as, I'm a professional and I'm not going to discuss my personal relationship because it's not relevant. She didn't do that. She went in there and she made a whole misrepresentation of what things really were. And that's the problem. I mean, it seems like there's a pattern of conduct with her when it comes to being, I want to say, how can I say this? Not just say being forthright, right? She seems to engage in that type of conduct where I'm going to deny until I can't, right? And leads to the consciousness of guilt, that people are speaking of. The fact that you didn't say anything, that you are one of the most vocal people. You've always had a clap back, always had something to say back. Now, you in the hot seat and you don't got no comment. The fuck you mean you ain't got no comment? Since when? Since when?
Well,
And so
I think people wanted it.
Stay in lane.
They wanted it that day. I think most crisis managers would have said, Ike, most crisis managers would have said, get in front of it right away. Don't let it linger on. You don't give people an opportunity to start coming up with committees and witnesses and whistleblowers, because the time that she waited gave the necessity of people coming forward.
Right. And I think that's what Crystal said.
And Candy,
as a PR person.
Hold on. Ike, hold on. Candy, Ike's not jealous of Fani, so stop it, Candy.
I love it. That's hilarious. Jealous how? In what capacity?
Right.
I'm not short enough. What? Where? Where would I be jealous at? Of what? Tell me one thing I could possibly be jealous of. I'm dying to hear this. Okay.
I know. I'm gonna need Candy. I'm gonna need Candy.
Hold that, Candy. Hold that, Candy. Candy girl. I'm a love. You look so sweet.
We'll know today. I think you and I. Are you heading to class now?
Yeah, I'm heading to class, and I gotta go get my driver fixed. It's about to be over 50 over here. Once it hit 50, I'm on the links, baby. But I
Well,
I
hold on.
broke my driver.
Okay, so Candy's
I got
saying
my driver
power. Candy's saying power.
power. I'm jealous of her power.
She has
I don't.
she
I
she has
don't.
no she has no power over Ike.
I haven't
Ike lives in New
recognized
York.
any power.
She
Right. I'm
lives in
not
New
sure
York.
what
She has
power
no
we're
power.
referring to. What power
What
would that be?
power? Are you talking about 50 Cent's show power? What
Oh
power are you
yeah.
talking about?
I am jealous of that show because that's my hood, and that nigga ain't call me.
Well, hold on. Are they doing it?
Uh,
Is 50 doing a good job representing the hood? Your old hood?
it's entertaining. There are some, like factual inaccuracies here and there that if you're not from the hood, you're not gonna notice it. You know what I mean?
Right,
Like
right,
I've
right,
spoken to people who are from the hood, and we all are like, "Oh my God, did you see this? It was like, you know, we're all talking about the same things when it comes to the inaccuracies, the
right,
pronunciations of some of the places, some of the streets, things of that nature. You can tell that the actors are not like all of them are not New York actors, or
right,
they're
right,
not,
right, right,
familiar with New York hood, and so some of the things sound out of place. Like, okay, you
right,
tried,
right.
I get it. But other than that, it's entertaining. It's entertaining. I wouldn't say it's 100% accurate representation of the way things were back then, but it's damn close. It's damn close.
Let me
You
ask you a
know.
question. You worked in one of the most powerful DA's offices in New York City, and that's the Manhattan District Attorney's
Correct.
office. And
Yes,
they
sir.
pretty much set the model for the other boroughs. So people don't know that. If you get a job in Manhattan as the district prosecutor, you gotta
Yeah.
you gotta be you gotta be good. You gotta be good.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Uh,
Absolutely.
would you ever consider running for the top spot?
I actually toyed with that when Queens DA's election a couple years ago. I actually met with a couple of groups and sat down with them, and it just wasn't the right timing for me to be the DA in most counties. You have to live in that county. And at the time, I was caring for my mom. I'm still caring for my mom, and I could not leave her. One, I could not uproot her. Um,
Right.
so, it was something that I shelved for
On,
now.
on, right. Because
You know,
I know
but
you had it.
I have to, the politics, which I'm not, um, really trying to push me in that area, in that direction. But it's something that I've thought about.
Pondered over it. Yeah, absolutely. Okay, okay. Now, you popped your head in on the Jam Master Jay trial. Can we talk about what? Can we talk about what was going on there in New York? Because that was a federal case. Is a federal case.
Federal court for a civil case. I got a slip and fall and target in federal court. So I actually was upstairs, and I was like, how can I be in a building and not go downstairs and check it out? Now, what I did not know, what was really really nice to see, is that the Jam Master Jay murder trial is being presided over by a young black woman. Her name is LaShawn Hall, Judge Hall, and Judge Hall's not with the shit. You hear me? She's not with the shits. I happened to walk in when they had the witness was a woman named McDonald. This is a public trial. There was no, so I'm not disclosing anything that's not already been disclosed.
Right, right.
She was testifying that she was with one of the defendants the night GMSJ was killed. She had given a statement back in 2002 to the police, very detailed statement, like which train she took to meet him, which the route she took, the time she got there. It was very detailed, and
That's
it
interesting.
seemed that it was very interesting, but it seemed like the government was attempting to lead her testimony. So I walked in on the judge sustaining an objection by the defense to leading, and what it was the witness, I guess at some point said that the defendant, one of the defendants, in a conversation about GMS to J, said basically he deserved it, right? Now, the witness wouldn't say that this time, so the government tried to lead her into saying it, and the defense objected. And the court was like, "Yeah, we're not about to do that." I mean, she
Mm.
obviously, I'm paraphrasing in my
Mm.
IQ voice. She's like, "We're not about to do that bullshit." And what she gave was called the limited instruction, which is, to tell the jurors why something happened and how they should view it. And so basically, she told the jury that she sustained the question because it was improper. She explained to them that a leading question is a question that suggests its own answer. Then she went one step farther, which is something I've never seen. She said, and the proponent of the question, speaking about the government, the proponent of the question is seeking to to sort of like testify,
Mm.
sort of like seeking to get the.
Did they sidebar? Was this a sidebar? Then she came back out, made a
Weren't inappropriate. I appreciated that she was engaged. She was paying attention. You don't always see that
well,
with
you,
judges, even in
you don't become a district judge by sleeping on the job leading up to that judgeship either. Well, ladies and gentlemen, right, right. Ike, I think I'm losing you. I think your signal is breaking up.
Chicago.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm hitting dead spot. So sorry about that.
No, I hear you now.
Um,
I hear you now.
okay, you hear me now. All
Yep.
right. So yeah, I didn't do it very long because I got there maybe around noon, and of course they broke for lunch. She's like, I have a hard stop at 3 minutes to one, and I was like, three. Okay, that's an
That's
odd
that, that's a
time
that's a pretty hard
to
stop.
stop, but yeah, she stopped. They stopped at one and broke for lunch, so I broke out at that point. But it wasn't crowded. That was my other surprise. That I thought it was gonna be standing room only, or maybe I wouldn't be able to get in. But it wasn't. You should know there are metal detectors outside of the courtroom, so you have to be uh, double searched,
Okay.
right? When you come into the Eastern District, you got to go through the metal detectors and all of that. And then when you get up to the courtroom, you got to do that again. Now, as an
They,
attorney
they,
in
they
federal
did that with
court,
R.
I get
Kelly too.
right, okay. As an attorney, I get to keep my phone in federal court, right? Because I have certain ID and whatnot. Um, but when you walk into the GMSJ trial, you got to give your phone up.
Same with
So
R. Kelly.
even the right, I was like, I gotta get my phone up. Damn, I can't tweet live. I can't live tweet. I can't. So that sucks.
Wait. You
After
wasn't going to
that,
try to wait, Ike. You wasn't trying to live tweet in the courtroom, would you? Were you going to do that?
why not? Why not? Why not? It was reporters in there taking notes. What's the difference?
So they didn't allow any reporters to have their laptops.
I ain't see no electronics.
Okay.
None of that.
Okay.
No electronics.
Wow.
No. I mean, they let me keep my Apple Watch, but I'm surprised about that.
Now, that's interesting.
Right. Well, I guess you can't. I mean, I don't know if you can take pictures with your use my watch like that, but
Well, you can't
I'm
take
sure that's
pictures with it,
part of
but you can record with it.
audio. You can record audio.
Absolutely.
Oh, okay.
And they typically take it in federal court. They took mine.
Oh yeah, I know. I know they do typically take it. But it wasn't like I was gonna do anything improper anyway. So you already know. I don't play those games. I do not play those games. How many people you got on this live? What they talking about? I can't hear you. Dennis, you still here? Oh, you left. I'm by myself. How you just gonna leave? That's crazy. All right, y'all. I'm out too. Peace out, family. I don't even know how to leave the stream.